Hello, I am Liz Rejoy Salada. Currently, I am studying in the field of medicine. I am a first year level student under the Institute of Nursing from Far Eastern University. I chose this program because I love this program and I want to be a doctor soon. In addition, when I was doing my immersion, when I was a grade 12 student, I found myself feeling genuine happiness working and treating patients in a hospital. However, I have other interests in other fields too. Actually, I have two other interests. First one is I am interested in history and I want to study history. It is because there might some other events that happened in the past that were not yet discovered, which may fill the missing gaps in history and may reveal the truth of what really happened back then. And for our fellow Filipinos who suffered a lot, risked their lives, and did not think twice in fighting against the unlawful and inhumane deeds from the colonizers, and for those Filipinos who went to the side of the colonizers to attain the freedom and the democracy that every Filipino deserves. For example, is the truth behind why was Andres Bonifacio was killed during the time in the war of the revolution against the Spaniards, and the truth of who really ordered to murder General Luna in Cabanatuan, Nueva Ecija. These are some things on why I am really interested in studying the history of Philippines. When I was still young, specifically an elementary student, during history classes, or particularly Hekasi, which means Geograpia, Kasaysayan, at Civica, I always engage actively in this class discussion, remembering every events and dates in the history and participating in every recitations. Maybe this is also the reason why I have good grades in history back then. Also, during that time, I always just believed on what was written in books and what would my teacher be discussing. But when I grew older, and until now, I realized that all of the information that were publicized about history are not all true. As of now, I knew some information that are contradicting of what I used to know. And this makes me eager to study history here in the Philippines, so that in the future, I can educate my kids or anyone about what is true in history. My second interest is playing instruments. I am interested in playing musical instruments because whenever I am playing musical instruments, it calms my mind, it gives me peace, and it boosts my confidence. There are some events that proves me that I like playing musical instruments. When I was a grade 6 student, I joined the group in our school who plays xylophone. And a year after that, when I was a grade 7 student, I'm also one of the members of the ukulele group in our school. And we play ukulele during school events. And when I had a chance, I am also practicing in playing guitar. Playing musical instruments really makes me happy. So that's all. Thank you.